Good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to PRCOMP. Today in this session, I am going to show you the function of the role of count function. Suppose I am writing these few figures over here. Now I just want to count. Now from the listed figures, I think some of you can easily count the number of items I have invoked in each cell, and so the total number of values here. But when in real field I am going to have all these things in a huge number, so it is not possible for me always to give my opinion by just a single glance. So what I have to do, I use the count function. First cell is J7, sorry, J8, and the last cell is J15 or J14, no, J15, and press enter. So I have eight number of numeric values. Let's check it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8. So this is the work of count function. So this is all about the session. Thank you for being with us and representing PRCOMP. Official website is prccomp.org.in. Email is dastama6@gmail.com. Call is 84208791. Thank you for being with us. Stay out for more updates. Thank you.